welcome. Welcome. My name is Dylan. I am a 24-year-old man, and I come to you with information that may help you in your life to gaining success. Success is important. Okay, based on what we have, I have a couple of trend lines on Bitcoin. I think we will start with the smaller scale. Let's go to the daily. Okay, it's pretty ugly, isn't it? Now all trend lines are beautiful. There's clearly a trend here. I mean, even this tail could come up. Just gotta make it more logical. Touching. Okay, so we're obviously in the smaller trend. And it's working out, but Bitcoin has done this before. Right here. I mean, another trend in the same direction. It does not care. If it breaks above, and even right here it retested, I mean, the next trend line would be up here, but you wouldn't even know this unless you drew out the bottom and then put it on the top. This is how I find tops. Okay, and now let's go to the weekly. So this is where I find more important information rather than the short-term analysis. I have everything, just hold off. I have so much here, so many lines. First, the red top one. There is this trend I drew out first before I drew out the yellow one, because the yellow one doesn't seem very odd. Like, it's not ridiculous, but it is kind of. It's like, if it were to touch it, I'm just not. I don't have trust in the yellow, because I'll get into the numbers of the market cap. So this trend, obviously, if we were to stay in this trend, it's more positive. Like, it's more accurate to hit right here in 27. 27 to 26 is a top. I can prove it with other charts. But 27 to 26 will be some significant topping area. See, it just, based on market cap, this is what was that, 600,000? I mean, come on, that's not that high. So based on market cap, about 10 trillion. I mean, we're going 10 trillion. 12 trillion, 10 to 12 trillion. I mean, come on. That's pretty high. 10 trillion is a lot. The reason why we can get there is because of, obviously, leverage. People will take collateral and they'll put a loan on it, and then that increases money supply and it pushes you up here because of greed. It's just this. I mean, if we were to break, I give it 1.5 million at least, and that's in the 26. 1.2 to 1.5. I mean, That's ridiculous. This is where it just completely is not good. 30 trillion. 30 trillion. I don't know about that. I mean, obviously we're going to aim for 1 million at some point. It's going to happen. 1 million will come. I am not thinking it's going to come this time. I think you see it kind of slowing down as more money cannot be issued, like trillions of dollars. Where's that coming from? So we're obviously having it's wrapping itself. So it's slowing down because we are nearing a bear market in 10 years. I could prove that too. But 600,000, this is smart. This is the smartest area that you want to aim for right here. Where these intercept, touch this red line. Any way you touch this red line, it's pretty much guaranteed. Just take your profit. From right here to here, come on, be happy. If you break, obviously, this line, you're going to touch this line automatically. In the RSI, we can see another pattern here. This is where I love to see tops. Obviously, you're going to hit this green line at some point, and you have resistance on this white line. Touch, 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 break, touch. Okay, break, touch, touch. Yes, good, very good. So, but the future, you're going to come here. Bitcoin will top about 2 years ahead of the market. Bitcoin tops before the SPY does. It tells you before. So 2 to 1 year. So I have it at 32 because I have the market topping around 34 to 35. But Bitcoin at this area, this is smart. This is where you set yourself apart from most people, because most people don't understand how can the price get here, because they've seen this and they think that can happen up here, which only happens when you're at a low market cap. I mean, when this thing breaks this line, I mean, come on, this will be the best deal. If you get a bear market with the entire market, this is going to drop 90%. Like, you're going to be, boom, somewhere like, I think in this zone, so 8,000. It is, if this hits 1 million and goes down to 6,000, I mean, that's shambles. And there's people holding up here. They're like, Bitcoin was $1 million at one point. Can you believe it? This is what this is. This has no protection. The government cannot issue protection on this asset. This is not cash. This is an asset. This is not the stock market either. This is gold and silver. It's basically gold. I mean, this is where money is just rolling into, and it's so nice because it moves. It gives you such a good move. I mean, look at this. Pretty organized too. I mean, it's not all over the place. I mean, yeah, the lines aren't perfect touching. But look at these moves. They're so big. I mean, I've been buying, not Bitcoin. I'm buying smaller coins. Bitcoin will tell me when it tops. And now we go to the other side of the market. No, I want Bitcoin over here. That. This is on the monthly. Let's give it. Yeah, let's go to the monthly on this side. All right. Here's your market cap for the smaller ones. I mean, look at this. Okay. What do you see here? Oh, a pattern. Look, you hit that. Obviously. Okay, well, you touch this line. They're just saying if a trend matches a trend, they're both going to do the same thing. So if this hits that, it's going to do what? It's going to go down. So realistically, and then look at these tops. So really, this top doesn't matter as much as these ones matter. See, they're the same. These are the same. So when this touches this zone, this is smart right here. This is where you get above most people. It doesn't take much. It just takes a little bit of patience. You touch that, bam, come down. Bam, down. And then, 8 trillion market cap for the smaller caps, which is going to be crazy. That's going to move so much. There's going to be so much money made right here. Dude, yeah, you see the lineup. Alright, that's all I got.